Alright, what's up? Just doing this video because just replaced my EMG 81s with the Seymour Duncan blackouts. They're actives, and I've seen a lot of videos where people were testing the tones compared to 81s, but nobody was really doing any kind of like speed tracking or really any kind of lead work. So for people out there like me that's into the prehistoric solo and stuff, you know, there's not really a lot of videos. So I thought I'd just kind of do one to show the neck and the bridge pickup. Just do a little tiny practice amp right here, and no really effects or nothing like that. Give you kind of an idea how good it tracks at doing fast stuff, excuse me. Also, I noticed the clean's really creamy, like a Les Paul. Which is a lot more pearly sounding than my 81 in the neck. The neck of my 81 was more transparent. But let's go to the game. Pretty quiet, considering, you know. Also, I noticed it tracks really good for sweet picking. Position, and it's very body, just like the bridge, but still has that throat sound like a neck. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. Then we'll go to the back. Like on passive pickups, you'll notice that happens a lot on passive, and it sucks. You have to reset your amp. Once again, I'll do a little more sweet picking on the neck pickup. Give you an idea how good it tracks actual speed. Smooth on the neck pickup, as far as still having bite, but giving you that smooth throat sound you're trying to get out of that whenever you're there soloing, usually for sweet picking. In the back, I noticed this, it's like a compression feeling in the guitar pickup, whereas you can hit with your fingers light and it's almost the same volume as using the pick. So I noticed that tapping, I can use a pinky almost. It's weird. Just barely touching it. Very good at tracking, keeping up with speed and maintaining like a good volume and consistent level. Well guys, I'm going to end this, but I'm going to keep rocking this. Y'all take it easy. Thank you.